Look at this. It almost looks the same. Sephora carries fake product. I cannot use a fake exfoliant on my face. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm MT the Beauty. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you for clicking this video. This channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. So if you love videos like that, please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up to this video. In this video, we're going to discuss about the popular skincare product that a lot of people use, and that's the Paula's Choice Exfoliant. I have used this product so many times and the product is very good. It exfoliates your skin and it makes your skin flawless, evens out your tone and smoothens out your skin. If you don't have it in your skincare collection, I will highly recommend you to have it in your skincare routine, because it really gives you that flawless skin. It is highly recommended to use the Paula's Choice Exfoliant at night because it makes your skin sensitive to the UV rays. So in this video, we will distinguish between the fake and the real Paula's Choice. I came to realize that there is the fake Paula's Choice Exfoliant. I personally did not know that there was a fake Paula's Choice until I came across the fake one. And that is why I decided that let me put this video out here so that we don't fall victim of using the fake one, and probably, you know, it gives us a bad reaction to our skin and we'll probably think that the exfoliant doesn't work, meanwhile you just accidentally purchase the wrong one. So let's start first how I even came across the fake Paula's Choice. I was using the original one and I ran out and I wanted to get the another one, and I think the first one I purchased it from Amazon. So I was trying to go back to repurchase it, because like I said, you need to always have this exfoliant in your skincare routine, so I couldn't go without using it. When I had received this product, I noticed there was a slight difference in the color, and I was like, this looks different, but I wasn't sure at first. I recommend you to know the difference. You need to have the two together, to know the difference. So when I pulled out the other bottle that was almost finished and compared the two, I saw that the bottle had a slightly different color. Then I went to the ingredients at the back and the instructions at the back. I saw that they had different instructions, and I was like, so now which is which? Have I been using the fake one, and is this a real one? Or I've been using the real one and I just purchased a fake one. So here's the thing that made me feel like it might be a fake one, because the price was cheaper. So when I was purchasing it, Amazon kind of recommended that, oh, there's another Paula's Choice for a lesser price. So I had purchased this Paula's Choice, I think, for $31, but the original one that I was trying to purchase was $34. So when Amazon recommended that, I was like, oh, $3 less, why not? So I went ahead to purchase the fake one, and when I had received it, that's when I was like, I need to watch out. Let me compare the two first before I use it. Again, it's an exfoliant, and the last thing you want is to use a fake exfoliant on your face. You don't want your skin to be all messed up. But anyways, that is why I'm here creating this video for my ladies, so you know which one is the real one and which one is the fake one. So let me show you guys the two, okay? So here's the two. Tell me if you're able to tell which one is fake and which one is real. Look at this. Look at this. It almost looks the same. The color almost looks the same. If you're very observant, you notice one color is different from the other one. But the bottles are pretty much the same, pretty much the same. So if you look at the back has slight different instructions, and the prints are different. And what made me feel like, okay, this one I got might be fake, is because of the prints, the typo error. So one of it said manufacturer, but the manufacturer was spelled wrong. And that's when I was like, this thing might be fake. So if you look at the instructions behind, the fake one has like a Paula Begon signature, like, a curve writing, which makes it actually look like it's a real product, because it looks like it's a signature. So I kind of felt like this could be real because I see the signature, but this other one, it didn't have any signature, and I'm like, if this thing is fake, then it means the fake one actually works, because my skin is looking good, So actually I have a makeup on, but it's no foundation makeup. So look at the back. You see the instructions behind here? You see this has the signature, the Paula Begon or something, the signature at the back, but this doesn't. So I feel like a normal person would think that this one is a real one. Then I was a little bit confused. I did not open this. As you can see, it's still sealed. I didn't open it because I'm like, I cannot use a fake exfoliant on my face. Apart from the signature, this one says non-irritating, fragrance-free, never animal tested. But this other one doesn't have that. And I'm like, It's very confusing because with all this instruction, it makes it look like it's a real deal. The ingredients are the same, you know, water and everything, nothing is missing, they're all the same, but they have a different print. And the fake one says once or twice daily, apply over face and neck with a cotton pad, do not rinse. For daytime, always follow with a sunscreen. And this other one said apply over face and neck with fingers or cotton pad. This doesn't say it with fingers, it just says over face and neck with a cotton pad. So this one says with fingers or a cotton pad, do not rinse. Yes, this one says do not rinse. It says at first use every other day, then up to twice a day. For daytime, follow with a sunscreen. This doesn't have the at first use every other day. This just says for daytime, always follow a sunscreen. And it did mention non-irritating, fragrance-free, never tested on animal. This doesn't have that. And like I said, the description over here, like manufacturer in the USA of Paula's Choice LLC, the manufacturer is spelled wrong. So if you take a close look, I hope the camera captures it. Take a close look at the manufacturer. It's spelled a little bit wrong. How I finally concluded that this one is fake, I decided to purchase another one from Sephora because I cannot trust Sephora. You know, I don't know if Sephora carries fake product. If they do, please comment below, but I believe that Sephora have the, you know, original product. So I decided to purchase it from Sephora directly. And when I purchased it from Sephora, then I realized that this one that I had purchased from Amazon for a less price is fake, because this one looks, the real one that I got from Amazon, it looks the same from the original, the first one that I had gotten from so this one that I got from Sephora looks the same as the other one that I got from Amazon. So this one, it costs $34. The other one that is fake costs about $30, and I wanted to be cheap. That's what you get when you're trying to be cheap. So I'll never be cheap with my skincare. I can be cheap with my clothes, my outfits, you know, I will be cheap, but not my skincare. If you guys think this is not fake, if this probably is also part of Paula's Choice, but they just have different printing at the back, please let me know. You know, I could be wrong, but I didn't open it because I was just so scared and skeptical using it on my skin, and I plan on returning it. But if Paula's Choice, if you watch this video and you see and you think that this is still part of your product and you guys just have different descriptions at the back, please let me know. I could be wrong, but I just said let me just put it out there for you guys to watch out so you don't buy any fake product out there. All right guys, this is it for the video. Thank you for watching to this point. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up. Deuces, bye.